Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am back with an updated tutorial today to show you how to get the best basketball zero codes in 2026. I've been searching on Google, testing loads of different codes. Most of the codes for Roblox Basketball Zero are either expired or they give you very little in the way of resources. I've actually managed to find some awesome codes that's going to get you tons of free lucky spins, money and more, guys, so make sure you stick around and learn how to get these Basketball Zero codes. Before I show you how to do these, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel because I'm always searching for brand new Basketball Zero Roblox codes. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone internet browser to get these codes, and then you can redeem it on your PC or wherever you play Basketball Zero. So I'm using an iPhone with Safari. You can do this on whatever mobile device you have, and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead and type it in. You can copy exactly how I've typed it. So you pause the video, copy that down. And if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you to this awesome game code website. Now, to save you from scrolling through hundreds of different codes, I do recommend you tap in that search bar at the top and just type in Basketball Zero. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring up this codes page. As you can see, there are 2 verified working codes as of today's date, and these do work in 2026. Thousands of people have actually used these. Scroll down, you can get 1 million free cash in Basketball Zero, and you can get 1,000 free lucky spins. This is probably the best code, guys. Tons of people have actually been using this. As you can see, 4,881 ratings. So click on get code. This code is going to supply you with 1,000 free lucky spins. And yeah, these are working right now, so everyone can do this. Well worth it. It takes about 5 minutes to get your Basketball Zero code, but considering what it gives you, I think it's worth it. I've already done it, but basically what you need to do, guys, if this is your first time on Crash Coupons, is you need to unlock your Basketball Zero code. You can see these are limited. There's just under 800 codes remaining. So what you need to do, guys, I've already done it, so I'm not going to waste a code for this video, but what you need to do is click on get full code, and it's going to bring you to a new screen with a set of instructions. It takes about 5 minutes. You need to complete a couple of tasks, and they're really easy things, like basically like playing games and stuff. Follow the instructions, complete 2 of them, and it's going to send you back to this page, and your Basketball Zero Roblox code will be revealed, and that one is going to give you free lucky spins, but they do have the cash code as well. So head on over to Crash Coupons. If you need any assistance, let me know, guys. Enjoy your Basketball Zero codes. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.